Hi guys, today I'm going to introduce you the F series, the new generation of pallet truck. Do you know, by the end of today, we are going to have over 5,000 units F series shipped to overseas. Why the F series is so hot? Two main reasons. 4 units in one pack. Then the unique platform F design can be applied across the F series. This is a huge benefit because you can easily exchange the platform from one to another for a short-time delivery. Now, at this moment, we would like to invite you to witness how it works. At the same time, come with me to take a sneak preview of the coming F series. F3 simple and strong model with a removable lithium battery, which makes it the best truck for transportation industry. F2 is the upgrade version of 12EZ. We call it Easy model. Sleek and smart design, the best truck for retail sector. F1 Roger model with 40 amp lithium battery and onboard charger. Endurable model for industry scenarios. It's 3 minutes. Let's go back to check with our engineers. It's already done. It's so quick. You can contact with your sales manager to check out what else you can sell for your business.